Before performing the governor adjustment procedure, make sure all linkage and springs are in good condition and properly installed onto the governor lever assembly. Make sure the governor cross-shaft nut is secure and torqued to 95 inch-pounds. Confirm the linkage and spring are properly attached at the throttle shaft. Loosen the left-hand screw that secures the governor lever assembly. Move the speed control lever to the high-speed position. This should place the throttle shaft at the wide-open position against the physical throttle stop. The throttle linkage must remain in this position while performing the next step. Torque the left-hand screw to 45 inch-pounds. This completes the governor adjustment procedure.